Pew pew pew. Hula pa 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 pa. Pew pew pew. Hula pa 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 pa. Pew pew pew. Hula running. La pa 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 pa. Hula 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 pa pa pa.
People need to understand that getting a cat is not like buying something for yourself, because a cat is not a thing that you can just easily dispose of. A cat is a living being capable of love and can feel pain. Getting a cat is more like having a baby. It is
Ako yung emotional support ni mama ko. Pero minsan parang need ko rin ng support kasi tulad ni mama ko na-stress din ako sa kanya. Yung tipong halata ng busy ako pero nangungurit siya na makinig raw ako. Siyempre makikinig ako kahit hindi ko naman